Hey y'all, it's Jonnae back with another video. You know how we do, period, consistent on the bed, being crazy. He trying to get up here too. Come on, boo. Yeah, you trying to show them your jumps? Tuesday, it's late. I usually like to start my vlogs a little earlier than this. It's 3 p.m. But I could not start my vlog early because it's a lot of things, y'all, that's in my life right now that I'm trying to. There's a lot of people and things that want to be in my life and in my son's life that I honestly just don't want to be attached to. Like, I don't want my son's name attached to certain things, certain people, certain situations. I don't want us to have nothing to do with that. So, therefore, it's a little tiny part of our life that I just can't show to y'all. And that's why my vlog is so late, because I've been dealing with that. Basically, I've been dealing with that all morning. And it's a little exhausting, but it's fine. We're vlogging. It's Tuesday. It's 3 o'clock. We're not really doing nothing today. I cooked last night, though. I made spaghetti last night. I don't know if I'm doing nothing today. Later on in the vlog, I'm gonna show y'all my. So let me tell y'all. Yesterday, I got an order from my vendor, and tell me why some order is just not in the package. Like, half of the order is just not there. And then, like, one thing was my fault because I like ordered these dresses, and I ordered them from one vendor, but I was like, my vendor wound up having them, so I was like, I'd rather just do that because it's like, you got order in bulk, basically. So I was like, oh, I'd rather just order them from my vendor. Come to find out, my vendor dresses aren't the same material. So I'm like trying to decide, because I tried the dress on and I still like it. So I'm trying to decide, like, do I want to still sell it, or my vendor told me I can return it. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do about that. Said he's sending a package out now, but I'm kind of irritated about that because, one, the stuff that wasn't in my bag is like some of the most important stuff in my new launch. Like, literally, that's the stuff I was most excited about. So I'm just irritated. This little boy crazy. I'm just irritated that stuff isn't here, because it's like I don't even want to put my stuff on the site because the stuff that I want is not even here. Like, it's a week. Y'all gonna see a lot of, like, I think it's gonna probably be a lot of business things this week, because I got these new products I got launched. Whether the other stuff come this week or not, y'all still want to see a lot of stuff, because one, I gotta do a photo shoot, because I gotta take pictures. I got these, oh my god, I love this stuff. The other stuff I got, though, I love everything. Y'all see later on in the vlog, like, the new items that's coming, but they are bomb. Like, I got these dresses. I know people gonna wear them. Like, people gonna wear these dresses. These dresses is giving body, honey, like, body. And I got these little jumpsuits that's giving, girl, they not ready. They is not ready. I know the TV got off. Damn, my bad. But yeah, y'all, we watching D'Angelo Wallace talk shit about Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live. I love him. I know my mom to come get us, and I'm put him some clothes on, and we'll talk to y'all later. Say bye. Say bye. Bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.
Throwing money in a spiral. Every time the girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass, do the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tie roll. I be blowing up like some pyro. 150, call it gyro. If she left with me, she go right home. And she riding me like a BMX. Missing 7 feet, it's the dino. I got 2 horns like a rhino. There's no way you can buy home, but I better mention with the sign on. Just I opened up the slide door, so you can hear it in the high note. I know. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Foreign girls and they test, I can't choose. Foreign car got me test, I can't prove. They tell her on my dad, I can't even see the time. They don't wanna see her face, I'ma go and get behind.
Hey y'all really haven't got no updates from me today. What's today? It is It gotta be Wednesday. If y'all seen my son little stroller thing, I'm sure y'all seen it because I had it in the vlog before. If y'all seen that, y'all, that thing, like, it's cute and all that. Like, it's nice. I really do like it for, like, if me and him, like, walking at the park by our house. But, like, trying to get this bitch, I mean, no, I ain't even gonna say that, because once I get my car back, it won't be that much of a hassle, because I got a bigger trunk. The trunk on this Jeep is really a bitch. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a little car tour before I gotta get this car back. That's what, in my car, it wouldn't really be a problem, but this trunk is so small that I don't see me being able to fit this big ass thing, because it don't fold down. So it's like I got the front seat up, because it's like a fucking coupe. Like, I didn't know they had coupe trucks. I didn't know they had coupe trucks for real. But yeah, so we on our way to the park. We got to turn up or whatever. We got to turn up at the park. Where did I get this number from? Like, I'm irritated about that. It look like a fucking mole on my face. I completely forgot to say that my Skims video just went up, honey. So if you haven't seen it by the time this video went up, you better go watch it, because I literally bought every piece of shapewear they had. Like, I bought mostly everything they had in stock. Of course, he fell asleep from riding down the street. You want some? I caught you. Doing much today because I haven't really been doing anything, to be 100% honest with you. I think I'm about to clean my room, change my sheets. We about to chill out.
I'ma make you lose his mind. Just made 100K. I was quicker than a vine. I was thinking on my mind. Trying to put me down, but I climbed. I'ma get it, keep trying. Don't remember the time. You don't want that to slide. And you don't want that to die.
So it's 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm cooking because I'm a crazy person. But I got these little salmon things. I thought it was gonna be regular salmon. I ordered it on Amazon Fresh, but they got like salmon espadrilles or something like that. So know that if you order those, this is what you're gonna get. But I just season them. That's what I use. Garlic powder. Yeah, that's what I use. I make some broccoli too. I make some broccoli. And I make some yellow rice right here. I never make rice on the stove, so let's see how this goes.
My boy, they be riding. My door suicide. Side note, you will never reach my goals. I be walking with a slime nose, and I'm also walking with my side hoe. Only time I be walking when I'm on the moon, so I feel like Michael. I was talking to my little slime, that's a little listen called a Geico. In reality, I'm 5-0. Stand on my money now, 6-6. Hit her once, now she just missed. Can't fuck her sister, make her leak dick. 40 only make my hip dig. When I see her up, make the clip hit. Aiming at his stop, boy, you need a mop. Man, I'm going out with a vengeance. My pants, Ralph Simmons, my shoes, Rick. Young girl did my tartar sauce, so she ate my dick like a fish stick. Hit it raw, yes I am a dog. I don't do this shit for no image. All my diamonds, they be hitting hard. Try to play me, boy, that's a scrimmage. That nigga on my dad. I can't even see the time. They don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the red. I'ma make you lose his mind.
Alright, y'all, so I'm trying to install this wig. I just blow dried it a little bit. It's still wet. I'm trying to use Got to Bleed. We'll see how that's gonna work out for me. I already blow dried a little bit. I was gonna use glue, but I couldn't find my glue and it wasn't that deep. So I finished putting on my wig and I flat ironed it. Looks okay. I mean, it might look alright from right here, but ooh, them edges, honey. I don't know how people get their edges like unstuck. Like, how do you not get your edges stuck? Please comment down below and let me know. But yeah, it's gonna look great for these pictures though. So yeah, I'm about to chill out though. I'm about to tie this up because I know my son gonna wake up from his nap any minute now. So I'm just waiting for that at this point. Later on, I'm gonna give y'all that Jeep tour, I promise, because I think I should be getting my car back today, hopefully, because I was supposed to get it back tomorrow. So hopefully I get it back today. Hopefully we can find some gas, because it's a gas shortage, y'all. So hopefully I can find some gas, because they charge you if you don't put gas in the car when you bring it back. See, like, it's glue all in my hair right there. That's a mess. But yeah. So we're going to do that. And before I leave out today, I need to take some pictures for my business page. I'm going to try to put at least 4 items up, because I got one dress in 3 different colors. I want to try to do the pictures for that. And I'm going to do the pictures for this little play suit I got. Those items will already be up on the site. So I'll go ahead and insert the little thing right there so you can see what they look like. If you want to shop with me, I'll put the link in the bio. wecanwearworldwide.com. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. What did I tell y'all? It haven't even been like 10 minutes. It haven't been 10 minutes since I got off the camera. From your nap. You sleep good? Real good. Okay, y'all, I finished doing my makeup. I gotta hurry up because they called me telling me my car is ready. So I gotta go pick that up by like 5 o'clock today, like 6. So I'm trying to hurry up, and I want to go to the market today. I think I'm gonna cook. Well, I know I'm gonna have to cook because the only thing I got to eat is from last night. Oh, how do y'all do this shit? How do y'all do this shit? I want to get these pictures done by I want them done by like 5 o'clock. Well, like, I know they gonna have to be done by then, but I'm saying, like, I want my post to be done by 5 o'clock. Like, I don't know if I should put both my lights up, cause y'all, if y'all don't know, I usually shoot with 2 ring lights for my business. Here's my other one. Other one's right here. I feel like this one is brighter than my white one, but my white one I just like. I gotta get a box. Y'all.
How far I want to drive, what time I decide I want to go to work, you know. So I would say it's always good to have options of clubs that you can work at, and so you don't just have to work at one club. So no, I do not just work at one club, but I work.
Y'all see the process? It's a lot going on today. I don't know why my fucking hair looks like that. Okay. There's that. Second ring light. My son gonna come right and pull these down, y'all. My son gonna come right and pull these down, y'all. I promise you.
I'ma get it, can't try. You don't remember, that's right. You the one that be sliding, you the one that be dying. You my boy that be riding, you my door switch side. Side note, you will never reach my goals. I be walking with a slime nose, and I'm also walking with my side hole. Only time I be walking when I'm on the moon, so I feel like Michael. I was talking to my little slime, that's a little lizard called a Geico. In reality, I'm Bravo, stand on my money now, 6'6".
I think I did get a good picture in the white dress, so I'm about to take it off and we're gonna try for 2 more, hopefully. I'm gonna try to put on Coco Melon or something. Maybe he'll fuck with me. Hey y'all, so I got about 10-20 minutes before I gotta drop this car off, so I'm gonna hurry up and give y'all a car tour real quick. So my son's gonna show you the steering wheel. It got a bunch of buttons on here. You can talk on the phone. It's real convenient. And then it got these buttons over here, like the odometer and stuff. And that's how the dash look. Y'all seen that before. And that's how the whatchamacallit look. Yep, and you got some cup holders down there. And it's like the size of your phone, so your phone can fit through there, because there's no whatchamacallits. So the doors look like, you know, if you was thinking about getting one. This one is the one that's like a coupe, so I guess the 2 doors. Hey! Hey, Shinky Man. Hey. Hey, you driving? Look at me. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. I'm about to close the door on him real quick so I can show y'all this. Alright, so this is the trunk. This is one of the parts I hate the most about this car. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at this little ass trunk. Like, I don't know. Wow. I guess that whole time, so it's up here too. Like, it's not just this tiny part, it's up here too. So I could have been using this to put his stroller in. So yeah. And I guess these come down maybe. I don't know. Or you could hook something to it. I think that's what that is. Oh, and it's a little outlet back here. A little thing. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, and the car do got the car does have like Bluetooth and USB and all that. Just a quick look. This what the back look like. It got speakers up there. That's nice. And yeah, the roof is like plastic. And you got the cup holders right here. My baby stuff. I'm gonna tell y'all now, this is a terrible car to have if you have a baby, because maybe the 4-door one is better, but it's really like, honestly, they look big. They look big, but it's really a small car. Like, y'all, I just had to jump in through this coupe part, and you can't come in through that side with the baby because the steering wheel stops the seat from going up far enough for you and the baby to get through. If you got a kid that's already walking, it wouldn't be as bad, because like, and they would be front facing, so you could just get them, you could just open the back and they can get in and get out. But like for this, it's like, it's terrible if you got like a newborn or infant. Do not get this car. Do not be dumb and get this car if you got a newborn or infant. Don't do it. We're taking pictures. Hopefully we got some good ones, because the lighting is bombing. Crazy how you have a rental, and rental cars be nicer than your regular car. On one hand, you be like, damn, like I want this car forever. But in the same exact time, it's like, damn, I can't wait to get my car back. Like, it's always like that. Like, damn, I can't wait to be in my own car. Like, that's really what it is. It's not even like having it's not even having a nicer car or having this. I can't wait to be in my own shit. Like, I'm tired of driving around these people's cars. I know the lady who work here gonna be like, that's exactly why I told this bitch 5:45. Because she gonna come at 5:35. I know they close at 6 o'clock. She probably like, this bitch gonna be late. Yep, girl, thanks for telling me 5:45. I got a late personality. Hey y'all, Future Jonnae here. It's Sunday, so I went to the flea market because what else does one do on a Sunday? So yeah, I did that, and then later on that day, I went to my dad's birthday party. Well, my dad and my aunt, because their birthday are on the same day. Crazy, I know. But yeah, I wound up going to his birthday party after that. So yeah, y'all all caught up to speed, and the next clip, y'all gonna see me at the party.
Just made 100K. I was quicker than a light. I was thinking on my mind. Trying to put me down, but I climbed. I'ma get it, can't try. No reason for that pride. You the one that be sliding, they the one that be dying. You my boys that be riding. You my doors, you was shy. Just do anything now. Might move my time to get it from cake out. I'm frosting my diamonds, I'm eating the cake now. I stay on your stomach, love when you lay down. Eat it up, that shit just go any day now. I go my time to get it from cake out. Frosting my diamonds, since I got the cake now. You on your stomach, love better lay down. I'm so up and I can't turn it down. They counted me out, I wanna turn around. Clean on my diamonds, you know I got rich. You know my voice coming, you wanted me bitch. That extent that you waiting for, already spent it. When I'm on the beat, man, you know I'm gon' get it. I roll, got a skinny thong like a tide roll. I be blowing up like some pyro. Coupe 150, call it gyro. That shit make a long